students, today we are going to see chapter number 2, Depreciation Account of Standard 11 Commerce Subject Account. Today we are going to see one more sum where we have to calculate the cost price of the machine, and here the balance of the machine is given and depreciation is calculated under straight line method. And as we know, under straight line method we are calculating depreciation on the cost price of the machine. So from the balance of the machine we are going to calculate the cost price of the machine. Let's see illustration number 18. Okay, let's see illustration number 18. On 1/4/14 in the books of Ria Industry, balance of machine account was 24,000. This machine purchased 6 years back. Every year company charged depreciation at 10% under straight line method. On 39/14 this machine was sold at 30% loss of book value. From the above information, pass the necessary journal entry in the books of company and prepare machine account. So here we are going to sold the machine within 6 months, but before that we have to find out the cost price of the machine. Here the balance of the machine account is given, and as we have to calculate depreciation under straight line method, so very first thing let's find out the cost of the machine. So for that, as we know that here 10% every year straight line method, let's assume that the cost price of the machine is 100. Assume cost price of machine is 100. Now, as we know, we have to calculate depreciation under straight line method. So, under straight line method, depreciation for the 6th year will be 10% into 6. So, that will be 60. So, here the cost price of the machine, book value of the machine, after 6 years will be 40. So here we can keep like this. If the book value of machine is 40, then the cost price is 100. Then if the book value is rupees 24,000, then what is the cost price? So here we can make the cross multiplication of this, and that will be 24,000 into 100 upon 40. So this will be 6,000 and 6,000 multiplied by 10, so that will be 60,000. So this is the cost price of the machine. Now, as we know that under straight line method we have to calculate depreciation on cost price. So let's calculate depreciation. So depreciation is equal to 60,000 into 10 upon 100. So this is the annual depreciation of the machine, 6,000. So now let's calculate the selling price of the machine, and for that here book value of the machine is given to us. So here on 1/4/14 book value or balance of the machine is 24,000. And now let's calculate the depreciation. So depreciation, as the machine is going to sold on, machine will be sold on 39/14. So for 6 months, so 6 month depreciation will be, annual depreciation is 6,000. So for the 6 months it will be 3,000. now this is the book value as on 3940, book value of the machine. Now on that, in the sum it is given that on 3914 the machine was sold at 30% loss. So now let's calculate the amount of loss, 30% loss. So that will be 21,000 into 30 upon 100. So here the amount of loss will be 6,300. So selling price of the machine will be 14,700. So this is the selling price of machine. So this will be in the bank account, and this is the loss. So this will be taken to the profit and loss account. So students, you may note down this. Then we are going to prepare the journal entry as well as machine account. Let's prepare the journal entry. So here, first journal entry that we are going to pass, that will be for the depreciation charge on the machine. And then on 3914, as on that day machine is sold, so that day we are going to pass the journal entry 3914 depreciation account debit. To machine account, and that will be 3,000 being depreciation is charged on machine. Rupees 3,000. Then the second journal entry that we are going to pass, that will be for the selling of the machine. So that is again on the same day, that will be 3914 bank account debit to machine account, and that will be for 14,700 being machine is sold for rupees 14,700. The third journal entry that we are going to pass, that will be for the loss of the machine. So that is on 3914 loss on sale of machine account debit to machine account. As we have calculated loss in the working note, that is 6,300 being machine is sold at 30% loss. And now to close the depreciation account as well as loss account, we are going to pass the last journal entry, and that will be on 31st 3/15. 31st 3/15 profit and loss account debit to depreciation account and to loss on sale of machine account. So here it will be 9,300. Here it will be 3,000, and here it will be 6,300. Being depreciation and loss account closed and transferred to profit and loss account. Alright. So here we are finished with all the journal entries. Let's make the total of this. So total of this will be 33,300. Total. Now let's prepare the machine account. So here for preparing machine account, as we know that the balance of the machine account on 1/4/14 is given in the sum, that is to balance brought down 24,000. Now on 39/14 we are going to provide depreciation by depreciation account. And it will be 3,000. Then on the same day we are going to sold the machine. So for that, by bank account, and it will be 14,700. Then on the same day we are going to provide for the loss. So here by loss on sale of machine account, and it will be 6,300. So this is how we have to provide for loss. And now let's make the total of the machine account. So we can see that the total of the machine account, both side total, must be identical as the machine is sold. So there will be no balance in the machine account. So this account is going to be squared up. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.